welcome back to my YouTube channel and wishing you a very happy Diwali. Today I'm going to show you a very lip smacking recipe of quail egg bhaji, which is going to be very tasty and very easy to make. So before we jump into the recipe, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe, and if you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Okay? So here we have the quail egg. It's very small but really healthy. So I'm going to boil this. So let it boil. In the meantime, we can prepare the masalas for the bhaji and the batter also. Okay. So now we can prepare the batter for the bhaji. So for that I have 1 cup of besan flour here. So I have taken 1 cup. Along with that we can add 4 tablespoons of rice flour just to get a crispness. This is really good. If you don't have besan flour, you can use all-purpose flour also, but this is more tasty. So I have added 1 cup of besan flour and 4 tablespoons rice flour. Now we can add enough salt into this. One teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So into this I am adding 1/4 of the teaspoon of asafoetida. Then we can mix this into a nice consistent batter. Give it a nice mix. So when you add water, you have to be careful because the consistency of the batter should be fine, because we have to dip the egg and should be stick on the egg properly, otherwise it won't come, it will just get melt into the oil. So you have to be careful when you make the batter. So our batter is ready. So this is the consistency of the batter. Okay, so now we can just keep this aside. It's ready now. Now we can just let it cool for some time and then we can just peel off the skin. I'm just going to peel off the skin. And I'm going to prepare a chutney. It's not a chutney actually, it's a kind of filling. I'm going to fill that into the egg. So let's make that. Okay, so for the chutney I have chopped coriander leaf here and 1 piece of green chilli, 1 small piece of ginger, salt to taste, 1 tomato. I'm going to slice this, and 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Now I'm going to blend this to make a fine paste. Okay. To fry this quail egg, to make the bhaji, on a heated pan I'm adding sunflower oil. You can use any kind of oil, but here I'm using sunflower oil. Let the oil get heated. So I have cleaned all the skin, everything just peeled off, and it's clean now. Now I'm going to make a small cut in the middle, just small cut. Into this we can just fill the chutney. So I have filled the chutney into this, and now I'm going to dip this into the batter. and let's fry this. The oil also got heated. Repeat the same. Here we have the crispy yummy quail egg bhaji. It's ready now. I hope everyone will try this.